What's good, Las Vegas? It's your girl, Ritia Maria. I'm coming at you live again from this beautiful, beautiful city. If you look out here, you can see this is the stratosphere, and this is the whole little Las Vegas out here. But this is hip hop now, so forget about all that grime, gritty, and glam stuff. Let's get to the real, okay? This is what I want to talk about now, okay? This is what's going on. My boy, Jim Jones, is doing it, okay? I had the opportunity to work with him a couple years back, and we worked on a few projects, and he was doing his thing big then. But now he's doing his thing, he's coming out with his albums, his girls on that show, Love and Hip Hop, and it's a really nice show, you know what I'm saying? I'm not fronting, I love it. But I feel like she really had got out of line when she got in between his business. The old girl was trying to do a little song with him, and she was hating a little bit, and she was like, "Well, baby, I don't think it's gonna work." So it's not hot. Why? It's not hot because she looks good. That's not fair. You know what I'm saying? So I just wanted to say, Jim, keep doing your thing. You're doing your thing in Harlem. You're representing. But don't let the broads and the breezes get in the way of the cheesy. You know what I'm saying? That's just play it to play it. Another thing going on right now in the world of hip hop is this whole thing where females are not giving props to females. We got Ashley Judd bashing women. We got Oprah bashing women. What's that about? That's not cool. How you gonna bash women? If you guys got something to say about hip hop, if it's negative, you're talking about, oh, they talking about hoes and this and that. But at the same time, you're not supporting it. So what can you say about it? Nothing, right? If you're not buying the albums and you ain't helping to support female rappers, then you have no thing to say. So just zip it up, all right? Until you start buying them albums and start getting females music represented, start supporting female rappers and stuff, then don't say nothing. Like Queen, she represented, she did her thing, So I just want to say big ups to the women that are really supporting it, because it's crazy. Another thing right now, one thing that's really bothering me is this whole thing where, like, okay, shouldn't there be a rule? One rapper or celebrity athlete rule? I know, right? Okay, we got Amber Rose. She's doing her thing. She's messing with Kanye. Then she's messing with Bush, and now she's like engaged to what's his name? Wiz Khalifa. What's going on? There's a rule. There's a minimum. Two man of status minimum. So get on that. Get on that ship. Alright? Alright. That's true. That's real deal. Yeah, they got so much going on right now. A lot of things in fashion. There's nothing really that's grabbing my eye. There's a lot of women wearing stripes and things. That's cool. I'm really, appreciative to the women, wearing their stripes and things. But that's cool. Big ups to Solange. She's DJing. She did that little track overseas with Theophilus Monk. It was hot. If you haven't checked it out, check it out. Everybody's doing their thing. I'm just really proud of the world of hip hop. Everybody's doing their thing. And I'm really sorry to say this, women, but sex does sell, okay? A lot of times you gotta put your high heels on and your mini skirts and your little halter tops and all that. That's because it sells. It's the truth. It sells, y'all. I mean, we can try to get around it, but it does. The lower my top is, the good ratings, the shorter the dress is. Hey, Biggie, Pac, all these mustard murderies and all these things, it's not cool. Like, we all know it's conspiracies, okay? Biggie, Pac, that was murder conspiracies. A lot of people witnessed it, but nobody know what's going on. A lot of people say Illuminati and this person sacrificed that person and this person sacrificed that person. I don't know. All I know is we gotta support each other in this world of hip hop. All right, y'all. So let's just keep this bandwagon going. All right. I'm excited. Like I said, I'm always excited. I'm always excited to see what's going on in hip hop. So let's keep it cracking. And I don't really have much to say right now besides tune in next time. I'll probably be coming at you from the big dirty south. So holla at you. Peace.